Hello everyone, and today we'll show you how to add multiple links on Instagram bio. First, you want to go and open the Instagram application on your phone. And once you open it, go and click on your profile picture on the bottom right side. Then you want to go and click on the edit profile menu. Then here you have the add link section. Click on it, then click on add link. Then here you can add the link inside this area. So here I have some links, for example. I will add right here. Let's say that this is the first link. I will name it Upwork, for example. And I'll add the link to my YouTube channel. Then I'll add a third link to my second YouTube channel, for example. And now, as you can see, you have three links. And of course, the first option or the first link that will be displayed is the first link, which is here in my case, the Upwork link. Now, when I go back, here as you can see, I can see the Upwork link, and you can add up to 5 links without using a third party application or a third-party program. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.